Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. So for today's video is we are going to unbox this beautiful bag right here. So this is an dupe bag or inspired bag for the Chanel wallet and chain. I got this one from Amazon and this one is in pink color. So let's get started. So this is what the bag looks like. Oh, looks like there's a damage right here. So let's open this one. Yep, I was right. There's a damage right here. So this is what the bag looks like. This is in faux leather. So as you can see, the emblem in here, it kind of looks like similar to Tory Burch. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It has this red color interior. The only difference that I can notice right now is they don't have the zipper pocket on this side. So let's open it. So this one is in gold hardware. The hardware is pretty much well made and heavy, which is I kind of like. It also has a pocket at the back, and it also has the same interior just like the inside. So this one is in red, maroon color, and they also have a 6 card slots in here. Pretty much it's almost the same. There's a pocket in here. There's also a zipper pocket right here, as you can see, and then there's another pocket on the front. So if you guys on a budget and you guys don't want to spend a lot of money or $1,000 to buy the original one, this is actually the perfect dupe for that bag. It's just for you to kind of feel if you guys wanted to buy the expensive one or whatnot. You know what? If you're gonna ask me if I only saw this before I got the Chanel wallet and chain that I got last month, I would probably go for this one instead of that one. It's just because I'm a bougie on a budget, so it's still worth investment for me. But just like I said, if I can get an inspired bag, I would just go for it. um I still love to have the original bags, the premium bags, but of course right now in terms of the economy and everything, if I can save up money, I would do that. So this is what the bag looks like. It is really beautiful, and the chain is also long, which is perfect size. I'm gonna do a mod shot of this one on how long it looks like on me, so you guys have an idea. So but this is what the bag pretty much look like. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.